together, said the Lord, though your sins be as scarlet, they shall be as white as snow. Though they are red like spring, they shall be as wool. Sorry, they be red like a crimson, they shall be as wool. The point there is, come now. Why now? It didn't say come tomorrow. It didn't say come later in the day. Come next month. No. Say come now. That is, we are right now, we have chance to take the necessary step about our life to correct the error of the past, to make amendment. When one died, no remedy, because there is no repenter in the grave. Come now. The scripture said, let us reason together. Even though your sin are red like what? Scarlet. God promised that it's not yet late. As long that we realize your mistakes, He promised that He will make it white as snow. Brethren, let me give you a little illustration before I round up the sermon. After all, the sermon on the mountain that had never been preached in the world was just preached for only 15 minutes by our Lord Jesus Christ. Yes, I love the devil. Now, let me give you an illustration about the topic of today that says, return your life back to God for repair. It's like somebody who ordered for goods. And when you make an order, and the goods was delivered unto you, but before you get to where you are, the goods damaged. What do you need to do? You return it back. To the owner. So that when we repair it, or to replace it with another one for you. But that one is not happening in our nation, Nigeria. I remember a time I bought a shoe in London. Getting back home, I look at the shoe and I'm not sure that I need it. And I went back to the person that I bought it from. I said, I don't sure that I don't like the shoe anymore. They told me that they will return my money. I never believed it. And before you know, they counted my money and gave it back to me. I said, wow. If I was able to that, if I ever use the shoe, I can still return it back. So, brethren, we did not make ourselves. It is God that made us. As we come to Him this morning, you know fully well that something is wrong with your life at this present time. You encounter some challenges at this present time. Your strength alone cannot do it for you. Take your life back to God. In other words, return to God for repair. No man can repair your life. No man can repair what has spoiled in your marriage. No man can repair that business. No man can repair that child except God. I know that you play your own part, but you ask God to help you. Return your life to God for repair. He is able to do all things. He is able to change your life. That's what that scripture said. Let us come back to God. And let us reason together. He said, come now. Not tomorrow. Now. Are you the one that is expecting God's glory in your life? Are you the one that is expecting God's miracle in your life? Are you the one that is expecting divine healing? Or you are the one expecting God's divine breakthrough? No government can give you what you want except God. Return your life to God for prayer. How are you going to do that this morning? Except a man is born again, he cannot enter the kingdom of God. St. John chapter 3 says so. Say, verily I say unto you from verse 3, except a man be born again, he cannot enter the kingdom of God. Pastor, what are you saying? I've been a Christian all these years. Yes, of course. I'd like to shock you this morning. Before I become born again, I'm already ordained as a pastor. It's not by going to church that makes you be born again. Sometimes you believe for you to live a wayward life, at the same time be inside the church, that the two will work. No! You can't be a Christian now and begin to dress like worldly people. You can't be a Christian at the same time die with the worldly people. Eating with them, doing what they are doing. The unbeliever fornicates. You listen to unnecessary words that come out of their mouth. You are like them. If you are a Christian, you will be among those who will give testimony about the good thing that Lord does for them. After Bible study yesterday, some of us who are here today,
the only news you like to hear. It is a news of negative things against the will of God. Hey, so person do this thing. I am me.